Hello boys and girls from grade 2. Welcome to our new book 2A. This is Nofal Gattan and today we're going to have episode 2 from unit 4, Let's Have Fun. We will focus on a new letter sound and grammar. But first, boys and girls, let's check our previous homework. You had a homework on your pupils book, page 43. Answer the following questions. What do you like doing? Let's check our answers together. Can you draw? Yes, I can. Excellent, boys and girls. Yes, I can. Or, no, I can't. No, I can't. Very good, great job. Now, what do you like to do? I like to watch television. I don't like to listen to music. I like to write my homework. And I like to eat chocolate, of course. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, let's move on to a new sound. Let's blend these letters together. If we blend the letter E plus the letter A, will give us a new sound, E. E. Listen to me carefully. E. Try to repeat it. E. Excellent. E. One more time, boys and girls. Excellent. E. E is for what? C. Very good. C. Repeat the word again. C. Excellent. Eat. 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 Repeat the word. Great job. Beach. 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 Very good, boys and girls. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Excellent, boys and girls. Read. 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 Great job. Meal. 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 Excellent. Beans. 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 Very good, boys and girls. Meat. 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 Take a look at this picture. Meat. Now, read then underline words with the E sound. I go to the beach. I swim in the sea. I read a book and eat a meal made of meat with beans. One more time, boys and girls, I'm going to read it. Listen to me carefully. I go to the beach. I swim in the sea. I read a book and eat a meal made of meat with beans. I'm giving you a minute. Excellent. I go to the beach. Beach. The word beach has the new sound E. Beach. Sea. Sea. Excellent. Read. Eat. Meal. Meat. Beans. Very good, boys and girls. One more time in this sentence. Read. Eat. Meal. Meat and beans. Excellent. Now, let's read together. I go to the beach. I swim in the sea. I read a book and eat a meal made of meat with beans. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, it's time to practice. All right, boys and girls, circle the pictures with the E sound. Let's take a close look at the pictures. What do you see? Let's look at the first one. The girl is reading, so the word is read. Read. Let's move on to the second one. The boy is eating, so the word here is eat. Eat. The third one. They are watching. Watch. Watch. So here we have read, eat, watch. What do you think? Excellent. Read. Read. Great job, boys and girls. Eat. Eat. Very good. Now, all right, boys and girls. Classify the words with the same sound. Here we have two different sounds. So try to read with me. Pool, bean, moon, beach, dream, food. Excellent, boys and girls. And here we have two different groups. Two different sounds, two different groups. Remember? Now, let's read the word one more time. Pool, pool, bean, bean, moon, moon, beach, beach, dream, dream, food, food. Now, I'm giving you a minute to think of the answers. All right, boys and girls, let's check our answers together. The first group has the sound ooh. Very good. Let's see the words. Pool, moon, and food. Excellent, boys and girls. This is the long O. All right, let's repeat the words again one more time. Pool, moon, and food. Excellent. Let's look at the second group. Great job, boys and girls. We have the words bean, beach, dream. Excellent. This is the E sound. Beach, bean, and dream. Great job. Excellent. Let's check our answers together. Pool, moon, food, bean, beach, dream. Excellent. Now, let's move on to the second part of today's episode, which is the grammar. Take a close look at this picture, boys and girls. What do you like doing? What do you like doing? I like playing basketball. Remember the question? What do you like doing? I like playing basketball. What do you like doing? What do you like doing? Take a look at this picture, boys and girls. What do you think the answer should be? Can I say I like swim? Or I say I like swimming. Excellent. I like swimming. Here we add another M and then ing. I like swimming. Excellent. What do they like doing? What do they like doing? Take a look. Think of the answer. They like playing table tennis. So, with the verb play, I add ing. They like playing table tennis. Playing. Repeat the verb playing. Excellent, boys and girls. They like playing table tennis. What does she like doing? Take a look. What does she like doing? She likes cooking. With she, we have to add an S to the verb. She likes cooking. She likes cooking. So I cannot say she like, but I have to say she likes cooking. What does she like doing? Take a look. What does she like doing? Think of the answer. Excellent. She likes riding a bike. She likes riding a bike. Here, because we have she, we added the S. She likes, and then with the verb right, we add ing. She likes riding a bike. She likes riding a bike. All right, boys and girls, what does he like doing? What does he like doing? Take a look. Think of the sentence. He likes running. He likes running. Again, with he, we have to use S. He likes running because our question has does. So our answer should have S. He likes running. If we have does in the question, our answer should be having an S. He likes running. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, it's practice time. Look at the picture, then choose the correct answer from A, B, and C. Take a close look at the picture. Number 1. Space likes playing piano. A. She. B. I. C. We. What do you think, boys and girls? Take a look at the verb. It has an S. One more time. Can I say, she likes playing piano? Or, I likes playing piano? Or, we likes playing piano? What do you think, boys and girls? Excellent. She likes playing piano. She likes playing piano. Number 2. Space like playing basketball. He like playing basketball? Or she like playing basketball? Or I like playing basketball? What do you think, boys and girls? Excellent. I like playing basketball. All right, boys and girls, we have reached the end of today's episode, and in this episode we learned lots of fun things together. In this episode, we learned how to use the new sound E in words, identify words with the E sound, and then ask and answer questions using the present simple tense. Thank you for watching me this episode, and I hope to see you the next one. Goodbye.